Alright, I just got here, started raking in this spot, and I got another one of these play coins. Somebody told me these are bingo chips, but I don't know, from the 40s. But it's got a pilgrim on the front. It says play coin 5, and on the back it has like the Mayflower. Alright, that will look great with that Indian one I have. If you go back in my videos, I found one with like an Indian braid on it. This is cool. Later, folks. I'm doing good already. I was just kind of caved in back here and I saw this laying down in here. Look at this. It's just a perfect knee-high, and it's an old one that's dated on the front. I'm pretty sure 1936. Yes, this is the nicest one of these I have. The graphics absolutely perfect. Look at this, 1936 knee-high Corporation right there. And it's like a blue bottle, like a light blue, like a mason jar. Oh wow, this is nice. I love it. Well, anyway, folks, later. Man, I raked out 2 cool things. What the heck is this? Man, it's an old glass lemon juice. I'm taking this. Pure Tex lemon juice. Huh, and it's like in the shape of a lemon. Has the info on it, but check out, this is better. Look at this. It's perfect. It's a little kid's. Oh, it's shaped like a tulip top, and it's hand painted. Man, that's old, and it's all hand painted on the inside. I'll get it cleaned up. This is nice. Look at that. It's probably made in Japan. It is made in Japan, and it's got a seal. It's got a maker's mark. Wow, that's nice, folks. My mom's gonna like that. Give that to my mom. But this glass lemon juice bottle's old. That's cool. Later. Man, people, I'm on fire today. I've only been here 20 minutes, and I'm just find after find back in here. But you can see almost all the bottles are whole. But do you see what I'm seeing in this metal? It's like a cross with Christ on it from a rosary or something. Oh, it's nice. It's nice, folks. It's marked on the back, I think. Boy, that's nice. I love stuff like this, especially for free. That's old. It's real old. Later, folks. I'll get it cleaned up and show you pictures. This is a great find for me. Later. See what this hole's turning into. It's a lot bigger than when I started. But this is a liter jumbo peanut butter. I found one of them before, but it's got an embossed elephant on it. I'll take that. But I just got a Coke. Looks to be all there. Ooh, I don't recognize this. I don't know what it says, but it's not a Sistersville one. Circleville, Ohio. Man, I don't have this one either. I know where that's at. My grandparents used to have a cabin on Leesville Lake, and I used to go there as a kid up into my teens. I found some arrowheads on that lake. It's a man-made lake. I found a nutting stone there too when I was like 13 in the woods by the lake. It's a man-made lake, but you get erosion around it, and there's just, you know, Indian stuff in lots of places, so you can lock onto stuff in the winter when the water's down. in certain areas on the lake, but that's nice. I don't have it. Good find. Later. I don't know if you can see this Coke right there, but I got a Coke sticking out back in there. I'll pull it out here. Oh, it's old. Used to be nice condition. Huh. I think this is a different one too. I think it says Alliance Ahia. It does. I don't have this one either. Alliance Ahia. 2 Cokes for my collection in like 15 minutes. Circleville and Alliance. Wow. I love these. I'm trying to get as many different ones as I can for my collection. And this one's real nice condition. Well, anyway, folks, later. Man, I just got this nice old embossed soda. It says Bluestone Beverages. 31. It might be 1931. I think it probably is. But I got a pocket watch case. Could be silver. You can see where the winder was at up here at the top. Man, I'm finding the pocket watches this week. But that bottle's nice. I only have one of these from here. This is a good one. I'm keeping that later. Alright, I just got another one of these embossed Ellis wave set. And it's just really embossed. I like this little bottle. Ellis's Quick Dry Waving Fluid. Dr. Ellis Sales Company Incorporated. Distributors. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's some kind of old hair care product. That's nice. It's 20s or 30s, I would guess. I have a couple of these. I found one like a week ago. Might not even have been that long. When you're doing stuff like this all the time, it's hard to keep track even the day of the month. Later, folks. That's pretty cool. Alright, here's an old glass baby bottle, I would guess. It's STEAD, Steady Feed. It says Made in USA, patent pending. I think it says Sear Rubber Company, Akron, Ohio. That's pretty cool. I'll take it. Old baby related stuff. It's got a bunch of embossing on it. Later. Into the sodas. Here's a new grape soda. It says imitation grape flavor. And it's Parkersburg, West Virginia. And I mean, the graphics just perfect. I'll take that. That's a nice one. It's just like after I clean it up, it'll look like the day it was on the store shelves. That's what I'm looking for, folks. Later. See what I'm up to here. I was trying to get work under this log. You want to be careful. That ant's stinging me. These logs can fall on you and crush your legs and stuff, but this one's supported. But I don't have nothing to cut that out that big, so I had to work under it, and now I'm going down from the top. But I just going down in here, a Kerr self-sealing mason. I only have a few of these. It's pretty cool. It's not colored, but it's still a vintage jar, and it'll look nice cleaned up. But you can see here, I got a whole bag full of stuff. I just got that Sistersville Cola too. There's yellow jackets. I think I hit a nest. I'll probably be stung later. All right, you can see my rake came apart, but I can still twist it in there and rake easily. I'm limited on what I can do, but I just got a pretty much of a day maker. I saw this big button pop out, and I started cleaning it, and it's an eagle button. It's a big military button. It's a big one. It's probably off like a military officer's jacket or something. We'll get it cleaned up. It's going to be awesome. This is a good find. I'm limited on what I can do. I might cut it short today. I'll go another half hour and see what I can find. But I found this with a broken rake, just raking right down in here. I'm behind this log now, but I've got some pretty cool stuff today for, you know, all the longer I've been here. And that's a cool find, a big military button, and you can see the eagle starting to come through. I'll clean it up when I get home. Later. Wow, I like this. Check out this old Minute Maid orange juice. It says Minute Maid orange juice, and it's got the Minute Maid right on it. It's embossed. And I'm just raking. Look here. There's an old lipstick container. That's kind of cool. Put that up here in the bag. But I like this Minute Maid orange juice. I don't have this. It's old. 1931. And that's Anchor Hawking glass. That is cool. A 1931 orange juice. Can't beat that. Yeah, this is hard going with this. Looks like a big button. Can't tell. No, it's not. I don't know what that is, but I got a marble. Right there's a salt shaker. Man, I found a bunch of these today. That even is embossed on the bottom. I'd say that's what that is. I'll take it. It says something Pennsylvania, Jeanette, Pennsylvania on the bottom of it. I'll take that, but I got a marble here. I'm having to hand rake because I've probably got, I don't know, 6 or 7 marbles in my pocket here. I'm just taking it easy. I've got this and it's hard going. But I'll get back if I find anything else. I'm not going to stay too long. I'm going to go to the river and look for some arrowheads later. Well, I just got a day maker of a bottle. I don't know what it says yet, but it's a real old cork. You can see the top of it. And it's just got embossing all over it. Liquid stove polish. Manufactured by J.L. Prescott Company. Passaic, New Jersey. Man, this is nice, folks. This is one of the nicer cork bottles I've found in a while. My rake broke and I'm still finding stuff. I got that eagle button after my rake broke, and this is just flawless condition. Liquid stove polish. Wow, that's probably for an old cast iron stove too. Wow, that's nice, folks. I'm happy with this. Liquid stove polish. Wow. J.O. Prescott. Later, folks. This is a day maker for me. Later. Alright, this old boy's gonna have to get out of here because raking with a hand rake back in there is, you can see I'm just covered in dirt. I gotta fix this. But let's see, I got that Minute Maid. I found this old bottle. I stopped filming because it was just upper 10 soda. Ravenna, Ohio. I've never seen that, but the graphics messed up. It's got a coach on it with horses. That would have been cool. Got some blue glass. Of course, you saw this embossed stove cleaner. I love that. I got 2 more Sistersville Coke bottles, the big and the little letters. I got several nice colas today. I was limited. I got that military button. I got marbles in my pocket. I got some cool stuff. Got another doorknob. I take all these. Got, well, here's a couple things. There's a marble in there, and look at that little flower pot. But here's another hair care thing. It says Lady Ethel, E-T-H-O-L or Ethel wave set. That's old. Probably from the 30s or 40s. I'm going to take that to go with that other bottle I found, like hair care product thing from Pittsburgh. But I did all right for having a broke rake, and I had to hand rake with that little thing, and that was horrible. But I managed to find some stuff.